Hello student, good morning. Today we will start the new life cycle, that is mosquitoes. This mosquito, two types of mosquito, that is Culex male female and Anopheles male female, and these mosquitoes work as a vector, disease transmitted to one person to another person. This is the morphology and life cycle of mosquito. First, classification of this mosquito. Class Insecta, order Diptera, family Culicidae, Anopheles quadrimaculates, say Culex papines, Quiniquifaciatus, say Aedes aegypti. Aedes aegypti means Anopheles, Culex and Aedes aegypti. Three types of mosquito. Mosquitoes are cosmopolitan. Mosquitoes are cosmopolitan in distribution, means found in all over the world. Nocturnal means todun khanari, nocturnal, inhabit, and found in abundance in damp water. Marshy lands, near stagnant water, etc. They are very noxious in tropical and subtropical regions. They are very noxious in tropical and subtropical regions. Females contains specialized mouth parts for piercing, while the males are devoid of having such types of elongated mouth parts. At the time of rest, abdomen of Anopheles is held at an angle of 45 degrees to the surface, while that of Culex is held parallel to the surface. Only female mosquitoes are adapted to suck the blood. Only female mosquitoes are adapted to suck the blood of human beings and functions as carrier of viral, bacterial and protozoan diseases. Carrier or vectors to transmit these types of bacterial, protozoal, viral diseases to one person to another person. Out of 45 species of Anopheles, only 9 are vectors. Only 9 are vectors of human malaria. Total mosquitoes, that is the 45 species, but only 9 are vector of human malaria. Out of this 45, only 9 species are vector for the malaria, carrying the sexual stages of malarial parasites. Culex mosquito transmit filariasis, or that is called as disease elephantiasis, hatti rog, this colleagues transmitted this disease, or colleagues is the intermediate host or vector by carrying the protozoan microorganisms. Aedes species is carrier of viruses of yellow fever and other diseases. Aedes aegypti is yellow fever, dengue and other diseases. Life history. The breeding of mosquitoes continues throughout the year in warm and humid places. The fertilized females of Anopheles and Culex lay eggs in single and masses containing several hundred eggs, respectively, in dirty, stagnant water. Eggs, after 2 to 3 days of incubation, hatch into larvae which are purely aquatic in habits and are known as wrigglers. Wrigglers, the abdomen of the larvae is provided with tubular siphon adapted for air breathing. The larvae by 4 moltings, means growth of this larvae, it takes the 4 molting process, increase of its size and growth, that is called as molting process. This type of 4 molts are it requires. Undergo population, 4 moltings undergo population after 2 days to 2 weeks, and from the pupae, adult mosquitoes emerge after 2 to 3 days. Adult mosquito emerge after the 2 to 3 weeks. After larval development, adult mosquito is developed in the 2 to 3 days after. Control measures. This mosquito controls. How to control the mosquito and to prevent the malaria disease from this mosquito. Elimination of breeding. First is elimination of breeding places. Elimination of breeding places or eradication of eggs. It is better to check the mosquitoes before full development because mosquitoes depend on aquatic habitat for larval development. The most fundamental means of control lies in the elimination of breeding places by draining, filling, pumping, or temporary dewatering. This is the control measures. Habit for larval development. The most fundamental means of control lies in the elimination of breeding places by draining, filling, pumping, or temporary dewatering. Second number, destruction of larvae and pupae. Destruction of larvae and pupae. The water surface is covered by spraying kerosene oil, petroleum paraffin petroleum, paraffin oil, crude oil, so that the larvae dies due to the suffocation. Larvae dies due to the suffocation. Larvivorous fishes as gambusia may be employed to keep the pools and ponds mosquito free. Larvicide ducts as oil emulsion of DDT powder. Why BHC and toxaphene are used dragonflies, a natural enemy of mosquitoes, should be encouraged. Natural enemy of mosquito should be encouraged. Third number, destruction of adult mosquitoes. Adults should be driven out of the houses or killed by fumigation. Killed by fumigation with pyrethrum sulfur, etc. Spraying of 2% malathion. Spraying of 2% malathion or 0.5% dieldrin kills the mosquito. This is the control measures of mosquito. This is the morphology and control measures of mosquito. This is the complete of life cycle of mosquito. Three types of mosquito, that is the Culex, Anopheles and Aedes aegypti. Okay, thank you.